BHK ultra-luxurious, meticulously crafted villa located near the renowned Narayani Dham temple, Tungarli, Lonavla for sale. This property is fully Vastu compliant with a northeast entrance, and the space is adorned with this majestic Lord Buddha idol that exudes so much of positivity. So, are you ready to explore luxury with me? Let's start. A large door with a combination of glass and a nice vibrant green color welcomes you. Wow, just look at that. This abode features a double-heighted ceiling, strikingly mesmerizing chandelier. Start करते हैं living room से. Living room is the heart of any house. I'm sure you'll agree. This features an elegant television unit panel. It has this stunning artifact जो बहुत ही warmth and texture add करता है ये पूरे space में. This living room is also adorned with a plush sofa which invites you to sink into comfort and luxury. It also features an elegant rug. Moving on, we have mirror wall panel with Italian marble tiles and contemporary modern chairs. ये mirror wall panel देता है इस entire space को बहुत सारा depth. Attention to detail is the top priority here. This luxurious fine dining space is strategically placed near a gorgeous pool, and these unique charming lights adds a unique beauty to this entire space. And the cherry on the cake is the stunning sunset view. This space has an open concept kitchen. Dado has subway tiles. Additionally, it features pastel acrylic shutters. इस पूरे kitchen की vibe बहुत ही charming and refreshing है. And I'm sure that cooking will be such a happy and delightful experience. It also has a gorgeous view of the swimming pool, which is such a rarity. और इस kitchen में है सारे equipments that one requires, and it also features a powder washroom with mirror walls. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of our jungle-themed pool oasis, where we have flamingos, deers, and not to be missed, the stunning designer giraffe artifact that complements this entire space beautifully. Nature meets luxury here. This is bedroom number 1 on the ground floor with a flush door. This is a stylishly curated space with a mirror panel and a suede pleated bed, which is so elegant. It also has a profile shutter glass wardrobe, and it exudes chic vibes. This bedroom also has an attached bathroom which has a cozy ambience. Foyer exudes French elegance, and it also has a vintage console table. Let me take you all to another bedroom. Sleek aesthetics meet comfort in this nice contemporary styled bedroom, which features an Italian back panel wall and a majestic chandelier, illuminating this entire space through Georgian windows. This room also features an attached bathroom with a designer floral wall. Welcome to the master bedroom. This stunning bedroom is adorned by a rafter wall, a nice designer bed, and let me show you all something truly special. It also has a dedicated pantry area. I mean, how cool is that? This master bedroom also has a separate sitting area that invites complete relaxation, and the gorgeous designer lights adds a unique charm to the ambience of this stunning master bedroom. It also has an open concept bathroom जहाँ पर है ये amazing सा bathtub where you can unwind after a long hectic day. Additionally, it also has a walk-in wardrobe. This master bedroom is attached with a terrace with a stunning pool view. Welcome to the bedroom number 4, which is undoubtedly my favorite bedroom. This mesmerizing room is a canvas painted with the timeless beauty of Greece and the free boho-spirited charm. As you enter this stunning space, your eyes are directly drawn to this meticulously crafted wardrobe out of jute. The stunning room also has a pocket terrace, which is the theme of Greece. And this stunning view directly transports you to the serene world of Greece. Mesmerizing, isn't it? Come, let me show you all the gorgeous view. This Greece-themed style terrace exudes holiday vibes and every corner screams relaxation. मुझे यहाँ की playful vibe बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है and it is surrounded by the spectacular view of hills. Immerse yourself in the allure of our luxurious bungalows poolside. The highlight, a soothing waterfall in the pool that whisks you away to a serene escape. Alongside swimming pool, it has a 4-seater jacuzzi with inbuilt Bluetooth speakers and massage nozzles surrounded by fabulous flamingos. This resplendent villa features a private elevator which ensures convenience and movement between levels till the terrace. Heavenly abode invites you to dive into pure luxury and comfort with sophistication and splendor at every turn. ये gorgeous villa loaded है with world-class amenities like swimming pool, jacuzzi, private elevator, and the list is endless. आप खुद आइए और explore कीजिए the epitome of refined living. Lavish interiors complements this gorgeous and mesmerizing villa, which is so spacious. Turn this dream into reality and make this European-style boutique villa yours today.